That happened last week too, on the other direction.
Yeah, my sister was on the road with me too. She's like, "How does that happen?" I'm like,
Yeah, it was
a
bad.
whole lot of bad driving.
Yeah.
No.
There were
Terrible drivers.
4 cars involved in the one that stopped me last week. One was on its side, the other one was upside down. What, the finger light?
Yeah.
Somebody riding a motorcycle out there? Surprised they didn't make the lights brighter than that. The cargo plane, whatever that thing is. EC 1500, is that what it's called? Let's get the smart checker out. Check the battery. I think I did already, but let's just be safe. Yep, that's enough. Right now. May not. Well, we'll see. Oh, Jack better land. You better land, Jack.
Oh, nice. Wait up for you, Nate. I'm gonna come. I gotta change my front.
Wow, it's really dark. Yeah. What? Oh, yeah. Ugh. All right. Yeah, they are. Okay. I heard it going rant, rant, rant. No, I'm not. Yeah. Yeah, I've flown it. I can see it just fine. As long as I stay over there, I'm good. Actually, it doesn't matter because the lights, I can see the whole plane. The lights, the way you put up the light, Nate, the way you did the lights, I can see the tail.
Timer cleared.
Taking off.
Gear up.
That wasn't good.
Nate, look at the lights now.
Yeah, I think your battery's dead because the lights are left, right.
I know, I was doing it.
Leon, hurry up and fly. Ray, I cannot see that plane. That's insane.
That's why I've got the lights. I can see it just fine. Landing will be interesting, but
I can't even see the airframe.
I'm looking at the lights only.
That flashing helps.
Yeah, it does. That's why I did it.
That green light illuminates my plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Looks like a rocket ship.
Fire booty.
I'm gonna have to land from right to left. I cannot see the airframe this way. It did. It must have been behind something.
I just saw the runway for like a split second. Wait, what happened? Why did that happen? The moon was probably blocked by something. I don't know.
Time remaining 1.
Dude, Nate, these lights look awesome. I said these lights are awesome. Dude, it's really hard to see right now. When I have the afterburner on, it makes it harder to see.
30 seconds.
Alright, we're gonna hand launch real fast.
Hey guys, just give me a second. I'm gonna land.
Gear down.
Alright, let me
Ten. 9.
I can't see crap. Ah! Hey!
8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
And that's the last flight of the day. All right, all done. That was scary. Oh, hey, the wind picked up.